Well, it's been a month since I last fished. I missed the whole month of March, which I think puts me at a disadvantage today. March is a transition month. So you fish the transition months and you keep up what the fish are doing. I missed all that. I don't know what the fish are doing. I don't know what they've been doing, where they were, let alone where they are today. It's going to be a little tough. Start by throwing top water. You see that there. It's a one knocker cricket custom. The first time I'm throwing top water, and the water's a little bit warm. Should be the right time of year to start. We'll see here rather quickly, right? New route today. So we're going way back. Way back. Different creeks. We'll see what's happening. Jeff's going to be throwing some soft plastic. I'll start with the top water. A lot of self-doubt today. I'm not expecting much. Man, I'm certainly hopeful. Brian was out fishing yesterday. Back this way. He caught some reds. One small snook, but he said it was a grind all day long. So that prompted him and I to talk about the route we're going to take today. Jeff and I. Alright, we'll see if we can get some tight lines for you. Okay, this narrow part here is all oyster. Let's see if I can. There it is. See it? I was right. I'm going to stop right here. I just had a hit right where it should have been. We're going to try that again. And another one. And a couple small reds in there that came after the top water. Yeah, go up a little bit further and just cast right down the middle. All right. Told you they were in there. Probably a small one though, huh?
Not that big.
Yeah, that's it. They were too small to take the top water. Good deal though. Little buggers. All right, Jeff. Yeah, it's a good spot. This whole section of the creek here is all hard bottom. All right, we turned the corner. We're gonna float this a little bit here. Well, we know the top water works attracting fish. We had those small reds hitting on it. And Jeff finished them off with the soft plastic. He's throwing the Slayer Pinfish XXL 4-inch paddle tail. I'm going to stick with the top water because I'm looking for the bigger ones. Yeah, see, as you come over, you can see the hole right here. Rocked right there. There's going to be a fish along here. Yeah, look right there. Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's a nice rocky, nice blow-ups there. Yeah, you can see the holes right here, and it comes up on these oysters. Well, they were holding here. They just weren't biting. Got him? Yeah, see, that's the bar right there. You're about to come over. They were on the back side of it.
I lost my tackle and everything.
Really? All right, Jeff just broke off. Brought the leader over, and it was frayed. It was oysters. We never had them. Cause there's that oyster bar there, and oh, there we go. Oh, I just lost one. Right here at the boat. Nah, I lost it. Wasn't much of anything. Anyhow, he was fishing over the top of the oyster bar behind it, and had a nice fish, but the fish was on the far end of the oyster bar. He was on the other end, so the line drug across the top. Cut him off real quick. All right, well, should be in a pretty good position here. There we go. A little something, something. Bait, that's what it is. Freaking bait. We're gonna go up this creek over here. Now here we are. This is the spot. You see, we're a little late. Can't go over those oyster bars. But that doesn't mean there's not fish in front of them. Or behind them for that matter. Red, there they go. See him?
Yeah.
They red or mullet?
I couldn't see the fish.
They look like reds to me. I had cast here too. There they go. So we just came up in these shallows and some big reds just come blast. You saw that one, hopefully. We had one came, hit both our kayaks, just slamming the kayaks because it was so shallow, couldn't get out. I think we blew our chance. We were just passing through, didn't intend to fish, and here they were. Son of a gun, man. I guess you just never know. Rolled up here and saw a snook busting on some bait fish right there in the shallows. Came up and it was just sitting, and I got out my paddle tail, and just as I got ready to cast to it, it disappeared down here in the deep dark. So I got my darters out and I'm raising a little darter hell. Maybe get that snook excited after it digests whatever the heck it was eating. But yeah, we came up and it was doing that classic slurk, busting on that bait fish. It was definitely a slot fish. So there's at least one slot snook back here, but it's been quiet and slow. And there's a wind knot that's going to cause me to take a break. Alrighty then. Well, this is the new route. New creek, new route. Checking it out. This is oysters and lime shoreline. There's some oyster bars up there. Relatively shallow all the way across. I'm gonna stand up here in a minute. Maybe I'll come in this from the back side here. Got him. I saw the whole thing. Saw the whole thing. I should have had the camera on. I thought I better go by this oyster bar that came over the top of the oyster bar. Is what it did. Right over the top. I nailed it. Ooh, doggy. Well, the trip was freaking worth it. Man, we're a little dry there for a minute. I wish you guys could have seen it. That little oyster bar right there at the end of the rod tip. Little hole right here. I cast on top of the bar just as it came over. Man, flash, boom, bang. Fish. Nice fish. All right, GoPro just went dead, but we have this one. All right, here we go. That's going to be what, about 21? We'll take it, right? On the I'm exhausted. On the Slayer Pinfish XL. All right, I'm gonna measure it. What did they say, 21? All right, I'll go 22. That's going in the bag, folks. That's what's gonna happen to that fish. It's going in the bag. Hang on there, boy. It is 21 and a half. We'll split the difference. A little bit smaller than I normally keep, but it's been a slow day, and we're keeping it. We're gonna keep it. All right, there's the Gulf. We made it. And we're probably 6 miles, 6.25, 6.5 miles into it. And we're going to go to the left over here, pick a creek to go back with the wind and the tide. It's going to be deeper. Since it's going to be deeper, I'm not going to throw the soft plastic. Rather, I'm going to put on this Band of Anglers twitch set. It's a floater with some rattles. And then it sinks when you retrieve. Nose down. Let's see if we can give a little demo here. Twitch, twitch, see that? Goes down, comes up. Twitch, 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 twitch. Goes down, comes up. I've turned around. It's taking the tide and the wind. For the most part, I mean, wind's off the, coming from our 5 o'clock. 4 o'clock. It's pushing us wrong way a little bit, but that's all right. We're not going against it. Long day. Nice route. Seen a lot of fish. Only caught 2. And that bait fish. So yeah. Nice to see him. Much better to catch him. Alright, I'm gonna just put my face down and go against the wind and the tide here. Maybe we'll get out next week sometime. Alright, later.